ezPaycheck makes it easy to comply with the 2026 One Big Beautiful Bill Act. With new payment types for tracking qualified tips and qualified overtime, this video will guide you through the setup in 5 quick steps. Step 1. Enable qualified tips. Open ezPaycheck and click Company Settings in the left menu. Select Wage Setup. Check the box for qualified tips to enable this payment type. Click Save. Step 2. Add a deduction for paid tips. Since cash tips are often paid to employees immediately, you need a deduction to subtract them from the final net pay. Go to Company Settings, then Deductions. Select a customized deduction slot and click the button Rename the description to Paid Tips. Click Save on the Deduction Details screen, then save again on the main Deduction Setup screen to update your database. Step 3. Create a paycheck. When calculating a new paycheck, enter the amount under the Qualified Tips field. If the employee has already received this cash, enter the amount under your new paid tips deduction to ensure the net pay is accurate. Step 4. Print and verify. The pay stub will now clearly display the Qualified Tips category, providing the transparency required by 2026 federal law. Step 5. Year-end W-2 reporting. By using the Qualified Tips label correctly throughout the year, ezPaycheck will automatically populate these totals into box 12 of the employee's W-2 form. Important facts. Federal income tax is still withheld on qualified tips. Tax benefits are claimed on the employee's personal tax return. Eligibility and caps are determined by the IRS, not the software. Trusted for over 2 decades, ezPaycheck makes complex payroll tasks simple. If you need assistance, please visit the Halfpricesoft Support Page. New to ezPaycheck? Download our 30-day risk-free trial today. No credit card required.